Welcome
Good evening.
to Cooperman. And once upon a time I did something called a Pro 10 build. It was great, but it was difficult. And now we have another puzzle that might be the hardest puzzle we've ever done on Cooperman. We are doing a Transformers Pro build. Swear to God I should have been awkward.
Yeah.
So, you get a choice, lad. You get a choice. You can have that one. That one. That one. Wait. Is this all the same Transformer? We have to work together. It's teamwork, man. Teamwork. Alright. I'll let you undo them.
Ooh.
Yeah, you undo them three and I do.
Fucking slow. Really do your wedding? I'm gonna... Come on!
Hey, shut up! Alright, you see what we're trying to do here? I'm tired, isn't it?
My hands are dead. Ah, you
Alright. Instructions here. They don't come with instructions. Alright. So, this is obviously the main body. Right.
What the?
I'll try and poke all the holes in. I got one. I got two. Going to be a team player. This is teamwork.
And,
Ah! Go, where you want to go? Try and poke all those little tiny things out. I'll do these.
oh! This ain't a job for big people.
Of course it's a job for big people. What? Think of all the little 10-year-olds we are educating by teaching them how to build one of these.
I've never heard of Xbox kids. PlayStation's kids.
Get off your PlayStations and start building some motherfucking Transformers. You get out, please. Jesus Christ! I didn't know Toys R Us can make things so complicated.
They're dead.
Indeed they are. And when we get their hands on them.
John Woody, you're dead.
How's it going, lad?
So got a few out that, but
Yeah, same.
Jesus. I need to get smaller hands, mate.
Jeffrey! Jeffrey! Will you help us, Jeffrey? Jeffrey, don't you walk out the door.
Do you want me to call your boss? I'll sack him. I will. I'll get you sacked.
Where are the bosses?
Hey. Orders to take away, lad.
Come on, Jeffrey. With 2 doner kebabs. And a bit of French fries.
Mm.
And maybe some melted cheese on them.
But no salad.
No salad.
No salad.
Fucking hell. You know we do get fit. Oh shit.
It's coming. I swear it's coming.
Swear to God, it's coming. Swear to God, I should have went singing, lad.
I should have went to dancing, lad.
True. Jamie the Pimp, #2nd coming up this month. Nah. I think that might just stay as the one original.
Yeah. I had to go the Aussie the day after, you see.
Mm.
My back was in a bad place.
Mm. We need to get like a DVD out called Cooperman's Best Bits. But I bet you both of us have had best bits.
Well, you have.
What? I can think of loads of your best bits. Loads.
Was I pissed or wasn't I pissed?
Or stoned.
Or stoned? I don't think there's ever been a video where we actually were not stoned.
Well, this one. Look how many of those little piece of shits you got pop out in this one.
No wonder kids have got bad tempers.
I know. No wonder they're swearing before they're 10 years old.
I think this is all done.
Well, help the course. Get ready done. Get ready done. There's no rest in this work pit. I'm telling you what. Can't wait to have long hair, lad. Become the next member of the Spice Girls.
Can't wait to be bought, lad.
Yeah, it's getting there. Like, some holes there. Like,
Yeah.
some holes there.
Be like Dr. Evil.
$1 million. Love that film. Oh yeah, anyway, promoting new show. If we're gonna do it, we might not. Depends. Cooper Men watch films. That should be good. A lot of fun. Oh, fucking hell. Surely, oh, there's another red one to be done. This better be good.
If we can do it.
If we can do it, we haven't even got instructions. If not, we're taking it in the background, setting fire to it.
I would have done that anyway. I don't even like the Transformers.
Well, I like the last one.
I hate all of them.
Alright. We'll continue this Pro Transformer build in part 2. Hope you enjoyed part 1. Give them a wink, give them a wink.